there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a toy that your pup is going to absolutely love, then you are going to want to get this one. This is my puppy's most beloved of toys, and I love it for her too. It is this crinkly ducky that has a nice little squeaker right in the head and just a little bit of fluff right in the nose. So you don't have to worry about if they tear this up, having to pick up tons of fluff all over your house. I love how much she loves this thing. She literally carries it around the house with her everywhere she goes. It is her little best friend and it keeps her entertained for so long. And I got this one in the large size, which is about 15 inches by 7 inches. So it's not too big of a toy, doesn't take up a lot of space, but still gives her so much fun and playtime with this ducky. I really think this is the perfect toy. I really just can't get over how much she loves it, and it is so affordable that I just want to get her a million little duckies to carry around with her. I think it is the best toy ever, and so does my pup. So bring some joy to your pup today. Get this little ducky. They're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.